MotoStyles accessories in Granada Hills, accessory shop for motorcycle, dirt bike, ATVs, whatever you want, waiting for you right here. And for a low price, it's just a quick glance of what waiting for you here for the upcoming holiday. So if you find this video on YouTube, this is just to show you everything you need. Jacket, jerseys, pants, leather jackets, riding jacket, club leather vest, whatever you need, we got it here waiting for you, and it will be much cheaper than anywhere else, especially cheaper than all the Chinese knockoff that you're gonna get this year from Wish, Amazon, eBay, and you're gonna have to send it back and fight for your money. We got all the real deal right here. Racing Snell approved helmet, regular DOT helmet, half helmet, open face, whatever you want. And if you need some gloves, we have tons of gloves waiting for you right there. And don't forget to look at all my videos, it's all the free stuff that we're giving. And again, this is our shop, and we also have all the cool RC stuff all over the place. So if you're into boat, race car, supercar, rock crawler, speed car, drones, helicopter, anything you need, waiting for you right here. See you soon. Bye bye.